It is late December 2025. Look back at the last 12 months. Be honest with me. How many goals did you set in January 2025 that are dead today? Did you say you would get fit? Did you say you would learn that language? Did you say you would save money? There's a cruel statistic. 80% of New Year's resolutions fail by the second week of February. We call this the Valley of Death. Every year you start with high energy. You buy the new running shoes, you buy the expensive journal, you feel motivated. But motivation is like a sugar rush. It feels great for 20 minutes, and then you crash. If you are tired of this cycle, starting, quitting, and feeling guilty, then stop scrolling. Because today, we are not talking about motivation. Motivation is for amateurs. We are talking about systems. In this video, I'm going to break down the 4 laws of lasting habits. These are not tips. This is the psychology of how your brain actually works. If you watch this video to the end, 2026 will not be another year of trying. It will be the year of becoming. Let's fix your life. Section 1. The identity shift. Let's start with the biggest mistake. The reason you failed in 2025 is because you tried to change your actions before you changed your identity. Imagine 2 people who are trying to quit smoking. Someone offers them a cigarette. Person A says, "No thanks, I'm trying to quit." Sounds good, right? Wrong. Person A still believes they're a smoker who is trying to do something hard. They're fighting against themselves. Person B says, "No thanks, I am not a smoker." Do you hear the difference? They aren't trying. They have changed who they are. In 2026, stop setting outcome goals. Don't say, "I want to run a marathon." Say, "I am a runner." Don't say, "I want to write a book." Say, "I am a writer." Your brain tries to align your actions with your identity. If you believe you are a lazy person, your brain will sabotage your workout. It will say, "Hey, why are we running? We're lazy people. Go back to the couch." Take a piece of paper. Don't write what you want to get. Write who you want to be. I am a healthy person. I am a focused student. Once you decide who you are, the habits are just proof of that identity. Section 2. The environment. Willpower is a myth. Now that we've fixed your identity, let's talk about your enemy. Your enemy is not laziness. Your enemy is friction. We like to think we're strong. We think, "I will just use willpower to ignore the cookies." But listen to me. Environment is stronger than willpower. Every time you look at the cookie and say no, you use a little bit of battery power. Eventually, the battery dies and you eat the cookie. If you want to stick to habits in 2026, you must become an architect. You must design your house to make good habits easy and bad habits hard. This is called the 20-second rule. If you want to play guitar, but the guitar is in the closet inside a case, you will never play it. It takes too much effort to start. But if you put the guitar on a stand in the middle of your living room, you will pick it up automatically. Let's apply this to 2026. To break a bad habit, make it invisible. Addicted to your phone? Don't just try to not look at it. Put it in a drawer in another room. Eating junk food? Don't buy it. If it's not in the house, you can't eat it. To build a good habit, make it obvious. Want to drink water? Put a full glass on your desk the night before. Want to run? Sleep in your gym clothes. Seriously, try it. Look at your room right now. Identify one bad habit trigger and hide it. Identify one good habit trigger and put it in plain sight. Section 3. Habit stacking. Okay, you have the identity, you have the environment, but when do you actually do the habit? Most people say, "I will exercise more in 2025. That is too vague. More is not a time. More never happens. You need a specific trigger. The best way to do this is habit stacking. You already have habits you do every day without thinking. You brush your teeth, you make coffee, you shower. The secret is to stack your new habit on top of an old one. The formula is, after I pour my coffee, I will meditate for 1 minute. After I take off my work shoes, I will put on my gym shoes. After I sit down at my desk, I will write 1 sentence. Why does this work? Because you don't need to remember to do it. The old habit acts like a notification bell for your brain. You are riding the momentum of something you already do. Section 4. The Rule of 2. Handling failure. We have to talk about the dark side. You will mess up. It's 2026. Maybe it's March. You're tired. You're sick. You miss a day of the gym. This is the dangerous moment. Most people say, well, I ruined my streak. I'm a failure. I might as well give up. This is the all-or-nothing mentality, and it destroys dreams. I want you to adopt the never miss twice rule. If you miss 1 day, that is an accident. If you miss 2 days, that is the start of a new bad habit. If you miss a day, your only priority in life is to show up the next day. You don't have to do a perfect workout. You don't have to write a perfect chapter. You just have to show up. A bad workout on the day after a slip-up is the most important workout of your life. It proves that you are resilient. In 2026, give yourself permission to be imperfect. Do not give yourself permission to give up. So, here is your roadmap for 2026. 1. Shift identity. Stop trying to do, start being. 2. Design environment. Make good habits easy and bad habits invisible. 3. Habit stacking. Chain your habits together. 4. Never miss twice. Fall down 7 times. Stand up 8. The year 2026 is going to happen whether you change or not. The time will pass anyway. You can arrive at December 2026 with the same regrets you have right now, or you can arrive as a completely new person. I don't want you to just watch this video. I want you to act. I have a challenge for you. Go to the comments section right now. I want you to write down I am, followed by your new identity. Not I want to be. Write I am. I am a runner. I am an artist. I am a millionaire. Claim it. And if you're serious about building the best version of yourself, hit the subscribe button and click the bell. We are going to dominate 2026. Don't wait for January 1st. Start today. If you want to disappear for 30 days and change your life, watch this video.